Hey friends, as you can tell, today we're going to be making some delicious baked tilapia. So welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're an oldie, welcome back, and I appreciate you all for clicking on my video. So today I'm going to be using the skinless boneless tilapia, and it's in the sandwich size. And first we're going to just rinse them out because these are packaged in mass production. We just want to rinse them with some lemon juice to make sure that they're nice and clean and fresh. So we're just gonna simply pat dry them, and then we're gonna make a marinade. For the marinade, I'm gonna use 1 large lemon, and I'm gonna extract the juice from it, and then we're gonna add the seasonings. All the seasonings will be linked on the screen and also in my description box. You don't have to use these exact seasoning, but trust me, if you follow this exact recipe, you won't be disappointed. So now I'm just going to use a spoon to combine all my herbs and spices, all my seasonings. We're just going to mix it up, and then we're going to add it to our fish. I bake this at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. If you want a nice crust on the top, you can go for 25 minutes, and it is still going to be nice and moist on the inside, but it's 350 degrees. All right, so I just add some oil on my fish to grease it to make sure that the seasoning stick well. Next, I'm just going to use my hands to gently massage the seasoning onto the fish before placing it in the oven. As you can see, these are nicely seasoned. If you are not ready to cook these, you can place them in your refrigerator and allow them to marinate for a longer time. But this was a quick dinner for my family, so I am going to place them in my baking pan and then place them in the oven right away. So while my fish is baking, we are going to make some sauce for all the sauce lovers. I just added like a teaspoon of butter, and then I'm going to add like a half teaspoon of garlic. And this is a simple sauce with some sauce that I already have at home. I have 2 different types of chili sauce that I'm going to add in here. I'm going to add some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, a little honey, and you can also squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in there as well. That would go nice with the fish. All right, and then I'm going to put it on low heat because we don't want the garlic to burn. We want it to add a nice flavor, but we don't want it to burn. After adding all my sauce, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then I'm going to allow it to come to a boil and turn it off. As I said before, it's a quick dinner. Simple. You come from work and you don't want to make anything too hectic. This is a perfect meal for your family. And I did make some coconut curry rice. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave a link for that up in the description box or up above. that you can go check it out. It's really delicious. And I also made some steamed callaloo on the side. It was a quick dinner and it was delicious, so you guys have to try it. If you try it, you come back and leave it in the comment section. I would really like to see your comments because I know you're going to love this recipe. All right, so my fish is out of the oven. I'm gonna put it on a plate and show you guys. So there you have it, guys. Quick simple dinner. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out my coconut curry rice as well, and my callaloo video, which will be linked in my description box. And try this recipe, let me know. As you can see, the fish is nice and moist and glycerin, and it was delicious. I promise you it was delicious. All right, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a lovely weekend. Don't forget to share with your friends and your family. Show some love, be kind to each other, and yeah, go ahead and enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. All right, bye guys.